Hello everyone, welcome back to MySQL tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain about select statement as part of data query language. Let's move to the next query. MySQL having class. So MySQL having class is used with group by class. It always returns the rows where condition is true. That means we are applying the condition on the group by class. So for that we are using having. And also we have where condition, right? So similarly, we are going to use the having condition on only whatever the columns you are applying the group by column, right? On that particular group by column, we can apply the condition. So the syntax is select followed by column 1, column 2 and so on. Column n followed by you can apply the having aggregate function or group by functions from table name, where condition, group by column 1, column 2, column n, and then apply the having condition. So let's see the query. So we need to filter the groups with more than one employee. So here they're asking we need to grouping on is active. That means I want to retrieve the employees who are active. That is one condition. Those who are active, after grouping, I want more than one employee. Okay, so more than one employee. So let's see the query. Select is active count star employee count from employees group by active. So till here you can get the all the employees categories. There are two employee categories. One is active, another one is inactive. Previously we checked it. Okay, 8 members are active, 2 members are inactive, right? So on that we can write the condition is count is above greater than 1. Obviously we will get it all active people. So let us run this. So to start with, I'll retrieve my employees table, and my query is select, the column name is active count star. I want to rename it as a employee count. Employee count from the table name is employees. Group by, on which column we want to apply the group by? On active, is active. Again, I want to apply the condition on is active column. What is the condition? Having the count should be greater than 1. Count should be greater than 1. Yes. See, we have is active 1 above count is 8, and here we have the count is 2. Let's say you want only this, you can make it as a count greater than 2. Count greater than 2. Then let's see how it is going to be executed. From table name group by is active, having count is above 2. Did we retrieve the only 8? Yes, that means I want only the count is greater than 2. So here it is only 2, that's why I retrieved only the count is 8. Here above 2 only the records are retrieved. Like this we can apply the having condition on whatever we are applying the group by class, right? And thank you. In the next session we'll see some more queries. Till then, happy learning.